Hi, it's me, Draven again. And today, in front of me is a Hoover convertible, but really, it's called a Advantage vacuum. You guys might be wondering or questioning what the hell is Advantage? And why does this Advantage vacuum look like a Hoover convertible? To be honest, I don't know. But anyway, I got this vacuum at a thrift store in Wyoming, Michigan for like $22. Yeah, I think it's $22. And this thing works pretty good. There's nothing wrong with it. Well, there might be a few scratches, but or scuff marks, but that's not gonna affect the vacuum cleaner. But it does its job pretty well. So yeah, this is a frick, I'm sorry. This is like, I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. But this is the new vacuum cleaner, and I will be running it in the next video in a little bit. Have a good one. Bye.